Hey Cubbies, it's Black China Bear. I am here to do another wig review. This wig was sent to me from SAMSBEAUTY.com. I have a link for it down below in the description bar. This is part of the Sensational Cloud 9 What Lace collection. So I have the, which one is this? This is called Reyna. So I have Reyna in the color 1. She is super duper long. She looks like she is hecka long. She is heat safe from 350 degrees to 400 degrees. She has a natural density hairline. But this is what the packaging is looking like. So you guys can see the hairline here. And then get all the information. And that's what she looks like. I love the curl pattern on this wig. I cannot wait to see her when we open it up. And then this is her name. I love how I have a picture on here that shows you the difference between their lace and other wig lace. How you see how thick and unnatural this looks, and this is how their lace looks. Just really, really plucked and natural looking. So let's see this wig that we have here. I'm seeing already that she has baby hairs over on the perimeter. Oh yeah, she's really long. She looks like she's about maybe 26 to 28 inches. So this is what she looks like. The lace is, of course, fantastic. I love their wet lace collection. This is my 4th wig from their wet lace collection. This is what the curls look like. So flippin' pretty. OMG. So in the inside of the wig, you get this big parting space. So all this is the area that you can part. And then you have combs on the side here. And then you have comb right here with adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off this lace in the front. And then we're going to go ahead and try this wig on. Just like this, I'll wear it just like this. For real, this wig is so freaking pretty, you guys. Like, OMG. Hold on a minute, let me get some pictures real quick. lace collection is just phenomenal, you guys. Like, OMG. I'm over the moon, excited, and love. Just phenomenal. Phenomenal. I haven't even glued this down yet. Like, I know it will look even better once I glue it down. I have to do another review after this one, so I can't glue it down. But, like, do you see how beautiful and soft and flowy this hair is? The layers, the curls. It's big head friendly, you guys. So if you have a big head, don't worry, it's gonna fit you just fine, boo boo. The baby hairs, the way that this looks so plucked and natural without me having to do any customization, boo boo, yes, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. The length is like bomb. I think it's like 26 inches. I'm gonna say 26 inches. Like I said, there is layers in there, so it's not 26-inch all together and just flat. Ugh. And I love the fact that you can part it. You can do a middle part, side part, flip over, whatever you want to. It looks good. As you guys can see, you can pull it back and do a ponytail, or you can do like a high bun here. There's options, okay? There's options with this unit. It's just gorgeous. No complaints. No complaints. It's beautiful. I'm not getting any shedding. And I cut the lace off. I thought I was going to get some shedding, but I haven't dealt with any shedding so far with this unit. I'm not seeing any hairs. I see one little piece of hair right here, but for the most part, I'm not seeing any shedding. It's just gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I am freaking obsessed. Oh my god, this collection is, I don't know who came up with this collection, but Sensationnel has showed out. I want to show you guys what a middle part looks like, just in case you like middle parts. So this is what the middle part looks like. Oh my god, you guys, do you see this wig? Oh my god. Okay, let me stop because this video is going to be 18 minutes long. I will link this wig down below in the description bar. Like I said, it's from SAMSBEAUTY.com. Any questions, feedback, comments, love, all that good stuff, leave it down below in the comment section. Also, guys, share this video. Like, we want to continue to grow this channel. I just need you guys to share this video. Share this video. Invite your friends, your family, all that good stuff. And like I said, this wig is down below in the description bar. And Shani, you need to have it. Go get it. You need to have it because it's just phenomenal. She's beautiful. This is island vibes, baby. This is island vibes. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Black China Bear. Mwah. Bye.